What's up, YouTube? Me and Billy's out here on Point Remove Creek, but where it runs out into the Arkansas River. And he's got chicken liver on his pole down there, and got a couple juicy worms on mine. Uh, but right now I gave him my little pole that broke that to cast the spuzz bait on, or around a little bit. There was a pretty good sized fish jump right over there, close by, probably about there. We'll update y'all when we can get something going here. Hopefully I get a bite soon, since I got a worm on, a couple worms on.
Oh, you want a fish?
Yeah, I think that's bait fish though. It doesn't seem big, but